In the sun-drenched marshes of Florida, a prehistoric giant is on the move. This is the wood stork, a bird that looks like it stepped straight out of the Jurassic era. Watch as its massive wings and scaly, featherless head navigate the tall reeds with surprising grace. Beyond its striking scale, the wood stork is a master of meticulous maintenance and unique behavior. Watch closely as it pauses for a massive yawn, a rare moment of vulnerability from this iconic wetland resident. This is the raw beauty and ancient rhythm of survival. This is wild Florida.